Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I will be making some smoked honey barbecue baby back ribs. So let's check out the ingredients. I have some steak seasoning that I got from Pop Shop that I'm going to try for the first time. I have some meat tenderizer that's going to make the meat nice and soft. I have some ground paprika. Y'all know I have to have my pepper. Some Cajun seasoning. Some seasoned salt. I have some apple cider vinegar. I have some green seasoning. I have some fresh green onion and a regular onion. And lastly, I have a slab of baby back ribs. Look at this, y'all. It is longer than my cutting board. I had to get a second cutting board. This is a good one. Check out all that meat, y'all. I forgot to mention that I did soak the ribs in some vinegar and water solution. The first thing I'm going to do is flip it over and remove the casing from the back of the ribs. Then I'm going to clean it up just a little bit, removing the extra fat. I'm going for more meat than fat. Once I'm done, I'm going to give it a quick rinse. I'm starting off by covering the entire slab of ribs with some paprika. Next, I'm doing the same with the meat tenderizer. I'm doing the same with the Cajun seasoning. Next, I'm lightly covering the ribs with some seasoning salt. Now I'm covering the ribs with the steak seasoning. So I'm flipping the ribs so that I can work on the backside. So I'm just going to repeat the same steps with the seasonings. And yes, before you guys make that comment, I did wash my hands before touching my bottles of seasoning. I'm using my clean hands to rub the seasonings into the meat. I'm adding some extra steak seasoning because I want it to be well marinated. I'm rubbing in 1 tablespoon of green seasoning, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box for the video on this seasoning. I'm making sure to spread it on both sides of the ribs. Because of the length of my slab of rib, it's not going to fit on my smoker, so I'm cutting it in half. So I'm going to add some steak seasoning to the cut. So I am done with the seasonings. These are both pieces fully seasoned. Next, I have placed them into a large bowl and I'm adding a few pieces of chopped onion. I'm also adding a few pieces of fresh lemon basil straight from our garden. I'm also adding some fresh chopped green onions from our garden. Once I'm done, I'm spreading it evenly over the ribs. Once I'm done, I'm going to cover my bowl and place it in the refrigerator to marinate overnight so that it can infuse all the spices and herbs.
The next day.
So guys, I have my Brinkman Smoke N Grill all set up. So guys, this is what the ribs look like after marinating it overnight. I can smell all the spices and herbs that are infused into the ribs. I'm placing the meaty part of the ribs face down. I'm adding the marinated onions and green onions on top of the ribs. I'm smoking these ribs with some apple wood chips for about 2 hours and 45 minutes. At about an hour and a half, I flipped my ribs and now I'm spraying them with some apple cider vinegar mixed with 1 tablespoon of meat tenderizer. Guys, check out those ribs. I'm adding some honey barbecue sauce on both sides of the ribs. I like a lot of barbecue sauce on my ribs. Let me know in the comments below if you like a lot of barbecue sauce on your ribs. So I'm going to let the ribs soak in that honey barbecue sauce just for a few more minutes, less than 5 minutes. So the ribs are done. They smell amazing and they look amazing. Mouth watering, and the meat is very tender. I'm placing my ribs on a cutting board and I'm going to cut them into serving sizes. I'm cutting straight down in between each rib. The meat is just falling off the bone, y'all. Hold on, let me give y'all a closer look at my ribs. I added some extra barbecue sauce when I served them. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.